And you can hear that in reverse. That's drive. Stops in neutral. I get that error, whatever that is. Transmission position P not engaged, which is probably that, which is probably the park. Now you can hear it in reverse. Neutral, it stops. Put my foot on the brake or drive. And there it is again. So I don't know what that is.